The judge in question, Scott Johansson, does not seem to have the law nor the facts to support his heartbreaking decision to remove a 1-year-old girl from the home of her foster parents. Those parents have been caring for her for 3 months now, since August, and they want to adopt her. Becky Pierce and April Hoagland were legally married 13 months ago. They were licensed by the state to take in foster children just a few months later. They've gone through all the checks. They have 2 biological children too, and their foster daughter's birth mother is supporting their plan to adopt her child. Get that? The mom wants this couple to adopt her baby. The Utah Division of Children and Family Services is also supporting this couple. So why does Judge Johansson object? He is not commenting publicly, but the parties in the courtroom say that he claimed to have research showing, quote, kids in homosexual homes don't do as well as in heterosexual homes. He would not provide that research that he said he had, nor would he say where he got that research. And state law does not bar same-sex foster couples. Let me repeat, state law, the stuff he actually works within, does not support this decision. Becky Pierce, one of the moms, is live on the telephone with me now from Utah. Becky, has there been any movement at all in this case since the media has highlighted what's going on with your family?
Well, we've retained an attorney, and they're looking at the case to see what we can do with it, along with DCFS's attorneys and the Attorney General's office.
And so, in the meantime, as I understand it, you and your wife April are sort of under the gun here. You've got 1 week in which Child and Family Services has to find another home for your baby. Is that train is still going?
That is correct. That's what we're trying to stop right now. We want to do what's best for the child and make sure that she's taken care of the way she should be. We don't want her bounced back and forth.
Speaking of the care, did the judge in this case ask any questions about the kind of care that you and April provided? Not only the 2 children we're seeing, on camera right now in these lovely pictures, but also to your 1-year-old baby. The doctor's appointments, the inoculations, all those kinds of standard operating procedures that new parents all have to go through. Were you asked about the kind of care you're providing?
We were not, and this judge doesn't know us from anybody else. The people who recommended us to keep the child and adopt her when the time comes have been in our home. They've seen the dynamic of our family. They've seen how well the child's doing. And the judge doesn't know anything about it other than we're a same-sex couple.